Hey Megan, hey Lexi. As I explained before in the parking lot, I was going to send you a video of all of the sounds. So basically what this program does is it breaks the alphabet into 42 sounds with the letters saying the sound of their name and then the long vowels saying a couple different sounds. So if you and Lexi can work on this book at home, even if you just do a few letters a day, it would really help her because we refer to these motions and these sounds constantly. In this program, they really hone in on focusing on the sound of the letter instead of the name of the letter, even though the name of the letter is very important. So I'm just going to go through and say the letter, the sound, and then name something that is associated with it, and hopefully this video will serve as a reference guide for you. Feel free to pull it up and use it whenever you're working on that book one at home, and we will continue to refer to it in the classroom as well. So the first one, S, snake. A, ants on my arm. T, like you're watching a tennis game. I, Inky. Inky's our mouse in this program, and he has whiskers. P, like you're puffing out birthday candles. N, the sound that an airplane makes when it's flying. C and K are both like castanets, clicking castanets. E, the short E, like you're cracking an egg. H, like you're huffing, you're out of breath. R is like you're a dog that's ripping a rag. M is because you are yummy food in your belly. D, drums. G, like water is gurgling down the drain. O, on and off like an on and off light switch. U, umbrella. L, lollipop. F, like you're flattening a fish. B, like a baseball bat. The long A sound makes A, kind of like if you're Canadian and you're saying like, what did you say? A. J, jiggle like jello. The long O, like you are surprised. The long I says I, like you're a captain of a ship. The long E and the or sound kind of go together, so they go E or, like a donkey. The Z, buzzing like a bee. W, like the wind. NG together makes the like you're super strong. V, van. The little and long oo, this one you move your head back and forth like the cuckoo in a cuckoo clock. Ooh. So that first sound is like the umbrella, but it's a long O. Ooh. Y, yeah, eating yogurt. X, like you're taking an X-ray picture. Ch, like a train. Chugging along. Shh, like a mommy whispering because the baby is sleeping. Shh. The voiced and the unvoiced TH. So it's th, and it kind of tickles your tongue. Th, and the other one is so think of feather, feather, and moth. They sound different. Qua, like a duck. Qua, 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 quacking. The OU sound makes the ow, ow, like you hurt yourself when you were sewing. Ow. The OI sound, the oi sound, like you're calling for a ship. Oi, oi, ship, oi. The long U, the UE makes the U sound, so it looks like you. The ER sound is like you're making stuff in a mixer. And then the last one is R, the AR sound, and you pretend you're a seal and you go R. So I hope this video helps and you can refer to it while working on that book at home.